Next one, opening the refrigerator and freezer. Some authorities ruled on Shabbos one should not open the refrigerator door unless the motor is running. So here's a thing as well, right? If the motor is running, they say like maybe you prolong it. It's going to run a little longer because the more warm air is going to go in. But if it's off and you open and you treat it, that's for sure a problem. Okay. So again, some authorities ruled that on Shabbos one should not open the refrigerator unless the motor is running, since doing so, when the motor is off, may trigger the thermostat to turn the motor, right? So on. So that's, however, on Yom Tov, there is a reason to rule more leniently. Okay. And plus, there is with the refrigerators. I'm not sure what is the technology calls, but it is like in some stores, right? In some stores, like in some, like the air conditioner, as soon as you open the door, like it started like blowing from the top next to the door, so like to prevent the hot air to come in, warm air. So same in these refrigerators. Don't remember what the technology calls. As soon as you open, like it starts like blowing cold air, which is for sure that it would be a problem for Shabbos or Yom Tov. Okay.